Hi, and welcome to Amanda with Limelight Balcone with Amanda Ashley. I just received my beauty guide kit today, and I just wanted to share it with everyone to show you what kind of incentives you do get for signing up as a beauty guide. If you do have any questions about either becoming a beauty guide or even just our products, feel free to shoot me a message in a private message. I'd be happy to help and walk you through some steps and talk to you about how everything works. So I signed up in March, and this is what came with my March kit. The April kit will be slightly different than what I have. When you sign up, you can choose a light complexion, medium complexion, or dark complexion option. This is actually the light complexion option. You don't get to pick and choose the items you do receive in the box. They do come just shipped to you as is. So that's why I saved it till now to unbox it in front of you. The items that I did get that were in addition to the March sign up was a 4-well eyeshadow palette, as well as 5 classified brushes and this nice makeup case. We also have this box here which has all of my extra goodies, and the sign up fee was $169. And this month the value, because they're giving you a whole brush collection, which I only received 5 of them, and I'm sure they're going to be really great quality because they're all vegan brushes, was a value of $280 just for the brushes if you sign up this month. So the total value of the kit for this month is $722 value, which is unheard of, and the company said they will never do this again. So if this is something you're interested in, I highly recommend signing up this month. I kind of wish I would have waited myself. So let's start. I'm going to unzip the makeup box here first and take out, I believe these are the brushes here. Okay, I'll put that to the side. So the first brush is going to be a dome blender that they sent me. This is actually used, it almost simulates your fingertip to give you a natural look. So I like the weight. The bristles are very, very soft. I'm actually very impressed with the quality. Once I do receive my makeup mirror in the mail, I will be doing live tutorial makeup videos, so you probably will see me use some of these brushes. This is the pointed blender. It helps add depth and define facial features such as eyes, nose, and face. So good for contouring. This also has nice weight. And these are the brushes. This is only 5 in the kit, but like I said, if you sign up this month, you get the entire collection, which I kind of wish now, seeing these, that I would have waited till this month to do. This is the number 7 large shadow brush. As you can see, it's nice and fluffy. Great for putting on eyeshadow. I actually can't wait to try that one. I use that style brush a lot. This is a number 15 bent liner. The nice thing about this is you can take any eyeshadow we offer and wet the tip and put it in, and you can make any eyeshadow color in eyeliner. So depending on any color eyes, right now I know we only have a black eyeliner in stock, so if you're looking more for a brown, you could definitely make your own out of the eyeshadows. The angled blusher, so this would be good for contouring as well too. I like the weight of this as well, and it's very, very soft. But as you can see, I have some bronzer here, so that's actually great to get in this, the groove of your face is here where you'd want to contour the most. So those are the 5 brushes that I received. And then I also received a 4-welled eye palette. And in the kit, it looks like I have 4 different color eyeshadows. So they sent me number 28, number 41, number 27, and number 33. I'll just open them up real quick just to show you an example of how it would come. So they come in these little packets. This particular color, number 28, is Ashen for Trouble. And the nice thing is, once you get these all individual and you actually order the well palette, you can just stick them right in, and they magnetize, and you can just pop them out at any time. So if you run out of one color that you really, really love, you don't have to actually replace the whole palette. You can just replace the ones that you really like. So that was everything that I received in my little makeup bag. That was the additional incentive for signing up in March. So now I'm going to go on to this beautiful box that they sent me that has all of the items that I paid the original $169 for. So as you open it, it's actually nicely magnetized. It's nice and heavy. It might be a little hard to see the box on the screen. So I'm just going to take everything out as I go. But it looks like we got a Blenderful, which is the non-latex, very similar to the blender I was using yesterday, except this comes in a really, really cute carrying case. And look, it's super flat at the bottom. Makes it easy to blend into your foundation. Definitely excited to try this one. And then we have two lipsticks. One is a sheer lipstick and one is the Perfect Pout lipstick in numbers 201 and 103. So this color number 103 is a pretty red. Be interesting to see how this looks. I very rarely wear red colors, but hey, I'm willing to try it. Something new. Number 201. It also looks like maybe like a deep red mauve color. Could definitely be pretty on. So throughout all my lives, we'll start testing out these products. Then I also received the Enduring Lip Color. This one is my favorite. It's actually what I'm wearing on my lips right now. And it happens to be the same color. It is Creme Brulee. And this color is perfect neutral color, perfect for every day. I can't say enough about it. If you are looking for, it does dry matte and it doesn't dry out your lips, which I absolutely love. But if you're somebody that likes a little shine to your lips, either you can use our signature lip gloss to put over top and it will give it a little bit of a shine. If not, a clear gloss will work just the same. This is what I've been dying to try. I haven't actually tried their mascara yet, the Perfect Mascara. What is supposed to be so great about this item is it actually has the lash fibers inside the tube. So it's all one tube. It is recommended that you warm it up before you put it on, but you're supposed to almost get that falsies look very easily. So I've really been looking forward to trying that over my current mascara. Let me see here. And then this is actually, so this is the Signature Jeweled Lip Gloss, and this color is in Grace. I've been dying to try this one as well. Let me take it out so everybody can see. It's so pretty. Look at this. So this is supposed to have more of a shinier finish to it, but it is not supposed to feel sticky. Like, I know sometimes you put on some lip glosses, and I personally don't like how sticky they can feel. You won't get that with these. And if you're not happy for some reason with any of the products that you do purchase, the link for my site is actually above this video. So feel free to click, or even, like I said, message me at any time. I can even give you a one-on-one. If you send me a photo of your face, if you're looking out a window with the sunlight facing you, I can actually help you figure out your foundation color. And if you wouldn't mind taking the quiz, that does help a little bit too. But we can definitely help color match you. And it is 100% happiness guarantee. So for any reason, any of these products, you're not completely happy within 30 days, you can get your money back or even exchange it for the color you think that you would like better, which is amazing. This color is, so this is a blush. This is blush number 7, so this is going to be peachy. The blush I actually have on my cheeks right now is called Possible. So this looks very pretty too. I'm pretty excited to try it. And I have to admit, before starting to sell Limelight, I never wore blush, but I'm actually kind of feeling it right now. This blush is number 3, and this color is actually what I have on now, so it's Possible. And it just gives you a nice, pretty, it just gives you color to your face. Makes you look so alive. But I'm going to show you what it looks like in the palette. And it does even have a slight shimmer to it. It's definitely one of my favorites. Then they sent me a Perfect Pressed Powder. So this is perfect after I've put on my foundation. So after you prep your face, you put your foundation on, you put your concealer on, and then you're going to top it off with a Perfect Pressed Powder. And what this will actually do is, you know, typically if you take a photo, sometimes you could have a flashback or like a little oil around your face, this will actually cause that not to happen. It will cause the product to stay on longer, which is awesome. It's just, I'll show you real quick. It's just white. And it totally goes on clear, and you can't put on too much of this. It won't cake up. I just love this product so much. Then they also sent me the skin polish with lemon and jojoba beads face mask, which I've been dying to try because I do like to exfoliate my face at least once or twice a week. The nice thing about this product is their skincare. It does turn over your cells quicker. So you will notice you'll start to get a little flakiness like throughout the week, and that's a great time to exfoliate. And with the natural jojoba beads, if they go down your drain, it does not harm the environment anyway. All of these products are Leaping Bunny certified, which means they do not test on animals. Mostly all of our products by now are vegan. If not, by the end of the year, should be 100% vegan. So if, again, that's very important. Dream Clean is actually a current cleanser I do use. So at night I use this. I have combination skin. In the morning I'll use the Quench Cleanse, and I can put up the different regimens we have for dry, oily, sensitive skin, and also combination like I have. So this is great. It takes off all this makeup I have on, will just come off with one single face wash. I won't even need to use an eye makeup remover pad. It's that good, but it doesn't dry out your face, and I personally love it. I see here they sent me the Skin Therapist and the Must Do. I use this on top of that every single night, and it just makes my skin feel amazing. Highly recommended. So that's the Must Do. It's a facial oil. And the Skin Therapist lotion. This is new. I just saw this show up on the site the other day. Scrubtini. It's a coconut and lemon verbena body scrub, which actually is probably great for summertime coming up right before you tan. Let me just see if it's open because I've kind of been dying to smell it. I love coconut and verbena, especially. Hold on. See if I can open it. If I can't, it smells amazing. So I'm definitely going to need to be using this very soon. I live in the Northeast, so the weather's been a little bit cold, to say the least. But hopefully pretty soon it'll be pool weather. And before I get my tan on, I'll be using my Scrubtini. To go with the lip gloss I actually have on now, which is the Creme Brulee, I have the Enduring Lip Liner. So this color is what I currently have. It's number 2. It's the light nude shade. So the great thing about that is it will actually match your current color lips. If you're looking for something just a shade darker, then there is another nude, I believe it's nude color number 1, that will show a little more contrast from the actual lip color. I highly recommend these, and most of this makeup I've had on a few hours already, and look at it, it's still on. I mean, it doesn't get much better than that. Who wants to constantly keep redoing their makeup? Not me. The Perfect Eyeliner Pen is actually one of my favorites, and I do have one open over there, so this one's closed. I'm not going to open it up. I'll just use the one I have over here. So like I said, it does currently only come in Midnight Black, but that doesn't mean that you can't make your own out of eyeshadow. So we do have darker browns and stuff like that. The great thing about this is just look at, you can see the tip. It's so precise that if you're not comfortable with eyeliner, or maybe you are, it's so easy to use. And like, just look at my eyes. Like, some days I'm good at it, some days I'm not. And this thing always makes it perfect. It literally is the perfect eyeliner pen. I highly recommend that. And it looks like they sent me a nice 3-weld palette to hold all my blushes. These are really great. Like I said, if you run out of one color, you just pop it out and go about your day. The other thing I did want to mention too, because I don't think I have the foundation with me tonight, but the wells for each of like the foundations, the powders, are about as deep as this goes. And that little bit, since it goes a long way, lasts you a really long time. So some of the prices, you won't need new makeup for a really long time. It's really great products. They're all 50% pigmented, which is awesome. Normal commercial brand products are only 18 to 23% pigmented, so a little bit goes a long way compared to typical makeup brands you might wear. So this was everything in my kit. I just wanted to, you know, hop on here today and basically show you what I got because I was super excited when I got it. If I could answer any questions that you might have about becoming a beauty guide or even just, you know, products, if you have questions at all, just feel free to send me a message. I'd love to hear from you. So if there are no questions, I hope everybody has a fabulous weekend. I will try my best to hop on here maybe once or twice over the weekend, but if not, definitely by Monday. Thank you.